Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Tandem Trail. And before we take flight, a word from the ground. Well, this is Roger, our Lexus LX470, and it took a climb by both the humans and the machine to reach these launch points. Old Stage and Gold Camp roads carved through the Colorado high country. What you're about to see is autumn from above, Colorado autumn. The aspens, the pines, the valleys, the creeks, seen not from the trail where we usually film, but from the sky, and let the music carry you. And as you already know, we make these videos with care and joy for you. And we hope you enjoyed them. Rogers got us here, and the forest gave us the view. We wanted to share this Colorado autumn from above with you. No narration, just the rhythm of the land. And if this video spoke to you, we hope you like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Oh, also, leave a comment. We read them all, and they mean a lot to us. Thanks for riding with us, and bye till the next video. Yay!